Hi everyone. Today I'll be making cranberry broccoli slaw. What all goes into the cranberry broccoli slaw? 4 cups of broccoli florets, finely chopped, 1/2 cup shredded carrots, 1/4 cup red onion, finely chopped, 1/2 cup dried cranberries, 1/4 cup sunflower seeds or sliced almonds, 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey, salt, and pepper to taste. So let's begin. Take a large bowl, dump in the chopped broccoli. Mine isn't as finely chopped as they suggested because I want to have something to chew on. 1/2 cup of shredded carrots. I would have thought a little bit more than that. Then 1/4 cup finely chopped onions. 1/2 cup dried cranberries. And the 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds or sliced almonds. And mix those up. I don't even know if Dave likes broccoli or not. Set that aside. In a smaller bowl, put your 1/2 cup of mayonnaise in the bowl, the 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, the 1 tablespoon of honey, and if your honey likes to stick, you can always spray your cup so it'll come right out. This one isn't too bad. You can buy pourable honey, and salt and pepper to taste. Give that a whisk until thoroughly combined. Then take your dressing and pour it over the broccoli combination. And then mix that with the broccoli until it's all evenly mixed and every piece has some of the dressing. All right, so it looks like everything is coated. Put that in the refrigerator. I'm going to cover it up with aluminum foil and let it chill and meld the flavors. I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator until Dave comes home and we have supper. Here is the cranberry broccoli slaw. Rounding out the meal is a chicken leg. Let's see what Dave thinks. It's a salad.
That's pretty good.
That is cranberry broccoli slaw.
Trying to get some of the cranberry. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.